Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Lab. I'm super excited to have you here. If you're as fascinated by artificial intelligence as I am and want to learn how to create jaw-dropping videos using cutting-edge AI tools, you're in for a treat. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of making a stunning video with a cyberpunk vibe using tools like Luma AI, Kyber AI, and Runway. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned creator, this tutorial is designed to help you unlock your creativity with AI. So, let's dive in and see how we can take our video making game to the next level. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. We're going to create our video in a few simple steps, each using a different AI tool. I'll break it down for you so you can follow along easily. The first tool we're using is Luma AI, an incredible platform for creating high-quality images with just a few lines of text. I head over to the Luma AI website and enter a prompt. My prompt is, a cyberpunk city with neon lights, towering skyscrapers, flying cars, and a futuristic vibe. Once I hit enter, Luma AI processes the prompt and in just a few seconds generates a breathtaking image. Picture this: vibrant pink and blue neon lights, sleek skyscrapers, and a futuristic atmosphere straight out of a sci-fi movie. I download this image to use later. The cool thing about Luma AI is that you can tweak the prompt to experiment with different styles or details until you get exactly what you want. To show you that you're not limited to just one tool, I'm going to repeat the process with another awesome platform called Kyber AI. I use the same prompt, a cyberpunk city with neon lights. Kyber AI generates another image, which might have a slightly different style or perspective. Pro tip: when writing your prompts, be as specific as possible. If you want rain, fog, or a specific mood in your image, include those details in the prompt to get a result that matches your vision. Now that we have our images, it's time to bring them to life as a video. For this, I use Runway, an amazing AI tool for video creation. I upload one of the images I generated with Luma AI or Kyber AI to Runway's platform. Then, I add a video prompt to tell Runway what kind of motion I want. Runway takes the image and the prompt and creates a dynamic video clip. The result is a short cinematic video that looks like it was made by a professional animation team. Depending on your needs, you can generate a video that's a few seconds long or combine multiple clips for something longer. If you want to polish it further, you can import the clips into editing software like Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. The beauty of Runway is how it simplifies the process of creating animated videos without requiring advanced technical skills or expensive equipment. You might be wondering why we're using these AI tools. Well, they make it incredibly easy to create professional-grade content without needing a big budget or years of experience. Whether you're making videos for YouTube, marketing campaigns, or just for fun, these tools empower you to bring your ideas to life in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. And there you have it, folks, a complete guide to creating videos with AI. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to try out Luma AI, Kyber AI, and Runway for yourself.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung.
If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button to join the A-Lab community and stay updated with more AI tutorials. Don't forget to like the video. It really helps us out. Drop a comment below and let me know which AI tool you're excited to try or what kind of projects you want to see next. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.